Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this marble nail design that I think turned out really well, and it's super simple, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm starting off with a base coat, and then I'm going to apply 2 coats of white nail polish as a base for the design. Now before starting the design, I'm going to use a top coat over the white, so that way, because I'm using acetone, when I put it on my nail, it won't remove the white. Now for the actual design, I'm going to use black nail polish and a tiny detail brush. So to start off, I'm going to do thin little black lines kind of just randomly on the nail, but not in too many places because you're going to use acetone and it kind of like blur it out and smudge it around. Alright, now for the acetone. So you don't really have to wait for the black to dry in order for this to happen. I mean, it'll dry pretty quickly, but it only has to be a tiny bit dry because you're going to smudge it around anyway. So I decided to use the brush that I normally use to clean up around the edges of my nail, and I just put it in the acetone and then rubbed off most of it, so it was only a little bit so you weren't like actually taking off all the nail polish on your nail. The goal is just to smudge it around and make it look a little bit marbly. So as you can see with this nail, I kind of took too much of the black off, so I just added a tiny bit extra, and I did that for a couple of different nails, but yeah, I basically do the same thing for all of them right now. Alright, now for the last part of the design, just to kind of give it some dimension, I'm going to add some glitter. Finally, I'm just going to finish off with the top coat. That's all guys, thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe, leave a like if you like this video, and comment down below any suggestions you have for designs you want to see in the future. Bye!